It is sunny today. The boy is enjoying the sunshine.
It is cloudy today. The girl is looking at the clouds.
It is rainy today. The boy is holding an umbrella.
It is snowy today. The girl is playing in the snow.
It is windy today. The boy is flying a kite.
It is cold today. The girl is wearing a warm scarf.
It is hot today. The boy is drinking cold water.
The sky is blue. The girl is looking at the sky.
Today is a nice day. The boy is walking in the park. I like the weather today. The boy and girl are enjoying the outdoors.
The sun is shining brightly, and there are no dark clouds in the sky. What is the weather like? B. Windy. The sky is covered with many gray and white clouds. What is the weather like? A. Cloudy. The boy opens his umbrella because water is falling from the sky. What is the weather like? B. Rainy. The girl is making a snowman and snowflakes are falling around her. What is the weather like? C. Snowy. The boy is flying a kite and the trees are moving from side to side. What is the weather like? C. Windy. The girl is wearing a thick scarf and rubbing her hands to stay warm. What is the weather like? B. Cold. The boy is drinking cold water because the temperature is very high. What is the weather like? D. Hot.